comfortable, seasonable temperatures on this. That's right. Last day of October. Or, I don't know what I'm talking about. Last day of October. The first day of October. On this second month of the fall time. Now, 1/3 of the way through the fall season. On a 47-degree morning. Getting ready for a spectacular, glowing, gorgeous sunrise in the greater Chesterfield Township metropolitan area in the great state of Michigan, right? This is Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and share for a one-of-a-kind, company-made, probability-based trading alert, technical analysis, company philosophy, and as always, VGCI Freedom Liberty News Network, VGCInews.com. That's VGCInews.com. My website, check it out. We're building it up with breaking news content, state of the current affairs of the market, the cryptocurrency, the gold and silver bullion, the unconstitutional authoritarian laws implemented by the USCP, United States Communist Party, right? We got our partner, Lake Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing, and VGCI stands for Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing News, right? VGCInews.com, a fresh, new, independent, hard-hitting, fact-finding, charlatan-slaying, political shysters exposing news organization that don't bow down to the corporate media or the USCP, right? And the mainstream charlatans and the mainstream media, right? We got our preliminary winter forecast. We got some donation buttons down there to donate to the website. We got some nice pictures, but we got a lot of things about to come online here. We got a couple of blogs, vaccine mandates, freedom lost, right? I think my personal best, freedom lost, fight for liberty must continue. It's a very informative article. And USCP military authoritarian takeover, right? Check out my website. More content will be uploaded, right? And now on with the coins, with that probability-based trading alert, right? Check me out on Twitter too, and subscribers. I'm not posting another video until I get some fucking subscriptions. I haven't got a subscriber in 2 days. This is day number 2.5. We've been stuck at 632 forever, and this will be my last video until I get more subscribers, right? People want more cowbell. I want more subscribers, or you will not be getting any more videos. I fucking like, holy shit, the Bitcoin just skyrocketed. Damn. That just went ape shit. Look at that. The Bitcoin whales are out. The Bitcoin whales are out, baby. We told you 44,000. I was not expecting a 3,000 point pump this morning. I was expecting a little pump, but not a 3,000 point pump. Man, do I wish I would have bought some crypto last night like I was going to. Fuck. But now that we had that phenomenal pump, it's going to continue. And you're coming up in the Bitcoin to major overhead resistance up here. This will be just, where's my little button at? We got major overhead resistance. You're seeing where you're coming back to our old highs, or our old upper brief high. Did we get any volume spike? Not really. So that's kind of interesting. This is just a phenomenal pump, right? Phenomenal pump. And there's the volume spike in the 15-minute time frame. So now I would say you're going the major upper resistance is where you're about at right now. Right there, right, the 48,000. So you'll see what happens now. Can you continue the pump? Or, see, this actually broke up out of the symmetrical triangle. That was the breakdown target. Look at that. That's the break up target. See that? From the point of the breakout on your upper resistance of the symmetrical triangle right here. Look at that. See that? You broke out to the upside. Now you've met your targeted move. Now the most likely scenario is you sell off, right? But it broke out to the upside, and your symmetrical triangle, which was a neutral continuation pattern, and it hit the potential upside beautifully. Congratulations to anybody that made that phenomenal gain. You can see the rest of the market, there hasn't been, there's a V chain up about 10%. The rest of the market, though, there hasn't been those 20, 30% runners, right? So I'd be very cautious. If you got in last night playing that pump, I would be exiting the market now. As the new month started, the Bitcoin futures closed for last month and the new month is open, so they pumped them up. I would expect you have a quick sell-off now after you met that targeted move. The DOGECOIN, it didn't even come up. Well, the Doge came up. See that? It came up. Look at that. The Doge. The fucking Doge hit our target beautifully. Remember that? We've been talking about that possible retest on breakout right up there with our circle and our arrow. Look at that. It hit it to the T at the upper end of our falling channel. And now I would say the most likely scenario is you get rejected like we already forecasted, because we're 69 steps ahead of the criminal gangster cartel. That's why I was going to buy that yesterday and didn't do it. Right? So it'd probably get rejected now and come back down to the bottom of that. What else do we got? The XLM. It's the same thing. We pumped up to our upper target. Look at that. We had that circled up here in XLM. We haven't talked about it in a while. But there was your upper resistance. Well, the price moved along since the last time we talked about it. But that's that upper white line. And upper resistance, possible rejection point on whale dump. And we got right up there. Now what I would say with our industry, you can see that we had our industry exclusive wavy line price predictor there. And I called it beautifully. Now on the fly, what I'm thinking that's going to happen as we sidestep audible, subvert, and overt. The subverters and overters, the Ohio State University, brother, the criminal gangster cartel that has infiltrated the United States and federal governments, financial markets, cryptocurrency markets, gold and silver bullion, in order to fleece, heist, and shiest the retail investor. But here at Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, we audible and sidestep the criminal gangster cartel and fleece, heist, and shiest the fleeced, heisters, and shysters. So yes, you and me can walk away with all the fucking money, right? Now the most likely scenario is to get rejected off of our previous box that we had there and come back down to 0.26. So we're going to keep an eye out on that in XLM. The QUant, you can see had a nice pop. We were talking about our upper resistance. Get off there. Our major upper resistance is up there at delete. That is up there. The price has moved along since the last time we looked at $343, but I don't think you're going to make it up there. I think you're going to get rejected. The CEOLO continues to fall, just like Vincenzo told you, way back up there at that big wick, and we told you it was going to crash, and we have an underneath target of $3.69, or $3.69 in an up and down fashion. It's going to get down there. That's what I think is going on a phenomenal call by Vincenzo. A nice little pump by Digibyte. 0.050 would be your upper resistance, and then most likely be rejected, right? Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing as the bulls are out. The bears are in hiding. The euphoria is back. Everybody's happy. Everybody's rich. But don't let the rug get pulled out from underneath you. Don't be fleeced, heisted, and shysted. After a quick new month of the futures opening up, has a quick pump up, don't be surprised to see a quick pump and sell-off as the day goes on and the weekend progresses. Stay 62.5 to 69.69 steps out of the criminal gangster cartel with Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing as I go by a deer that got slaughtered on the freeway. Don't be that deer. Don't be slaughtered by a truck on the freeway. Hop around an audible and graciously sidestep that motor vehicle that would look to do vehicular manslaughter, vehicular deer slaughter on you. And fleece, heist, and shiest that driver of that vehicular deer slaughter, and fucking fleece, heist, and shiest that driver, and walk away with all the fucking money. After the 20th of October, fan mail will be posted. I just too much transition trading alerts to do. After the 20th of October, once again, fan mail to be signed will be tossed. I say this again with transition trading alerts, and peace and love. Peace and love.